Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have my finale for the Paranormal Pantivity. So if you are interested in seeing that and other stuff, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Alright, this is my finale for Paranormal Pantivity. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project, or was. It was created by Andrea over at Pretty as a Peacock here on YouTube. She set it up so you could do monthly or bi-monthly updates, and it started on September 24th of 2022 and ends September 24th, 2023, which was National Ghost Hunting Day. This project is all about spooks and specters and things that go bump in the night. So we are to work on 6 products at a time, rolling style, or bring them all in. I decided to go rolling style. And as of the last update, I don't know, I had completed or reached most of the prompts. I did not bring in 1, 2, 3, 4 prompts I had not gotten to out of the list of, I don't know, however many there were. So what I was working on for my finale was the Flying Dutchman, a product you are doomed to pan forever. What feels like forever. For that I brought in a blush, and I brought in my Essence blush, the blush, and this is in the shade 70 Believing. My goal for this project was to use it 20 times. At the last update, I had used it 15, and over the last month, I've used it the remaining 5. I am wearing it today. It is a lovely cool-toned blush. I will give you a swatch. And that is a swatch of it there. It is a lovely shade. I enjoy using it, and hopefully someday it'll be my favorite, my go-to blush. Right now, the packaging is broken, the hinge cracked. I don't know if that's just poor packaging or the fact that it got crunched in my travel bag, but it is a goal met and complete. The next prompt was for Black Dog, and that is an animal-themed product. For that, I brought in my BH Cosmetics Venom palette, and I was working on the shade Slithering, which is this gray shade right here. I am wearing it today in my crease and transition. And I will give you a swatch of it. I love, there you go. I love this palette and all its gray, dark neutralness, in case you couldn't tell by my dark look, mostly dark look. So yeah, but I had a goal to use it 6 times, and today was use number 6. So that is a goal met. At the last update, it looks like I had used it 4 times. 3 times, I think. So yeah, I used the remaining 6 times over the last month. The next prompt was for Domovic, a household spirit in Russian folklore, something that has followed you from house to house. And for me, that is nail polish, because most of my makeup I've purchased in this location, but my nail polishes, some of them go back to the 1990s. And this one is not that old. This one's probably the early 2000s, 2008 to 11, somewhere in there. And this is from Avon. It is their Mirror Shine collection, and it is the shade Polish Poly, P-O-L-I. And my goal was to use it twice over the last month. I did do 2 manicures with it. It's not quite as warm purple as it shows up on the bottle. It is a little bit of a cooler purple, but it is a beautiful metallic purple, and it is in a plastic bottle, this is the only nail polish I've ever had that's come in a plastic bottle, and it is opaque. I did stick a toothpick in there, and there's still quite a bit. It's just because it's a plastic bottle, it feels very light, and so I felt like maybe it was almost empty. It's not. But I did wear it twice, and that was my goal, so that is another goal met. Next was for The Exorcist, something you want out of your collection. And I brought in a lip liner because I tend not to remember to wear lip liners. They're not my preferred thing to wear. So this is from Thrive Cosmetics. I got this in a bag from someone. And this is in the shade Gislin. I will give you a swatch of it. I am wearing it today underneath a gloss. And it's a pretty sheer gloss, so you can pretty much see it. It is just sort of a My Lips But Better nudie pink. And that is the shade there. My goal was to use it 10 times. I did not meet my goal on this one. I was only able to wear it 8 times in the project. So did not meet my goal on this, but that's okay. I gave it a good shot, and I did get more use out of it. The next prompt is for Tommyknockers, and that is a spirit that lives and or works in mines, and for that is something that you are named after, or a metal, or is metallic. I brought in my NYX Extreme Slide On Glide On Extreme Shine Eyeliner in platinum. It is named after a metal, and it is metallic. I am wearing it today in my inner corner and along my top lid. Lash line. As eyeliner. My goal was to use this 10 times as well, and I was only able to get up to 6 uses. Silver eyeliner is beautiful, but it is something that is not an everyday thing, although I'm coming to play with my eyeliners more, and I think I have ways I could make this look really good in the future, but I did not meet my goal on that. So, yeah. Next is for Revenant, and that is an item that has come back into your collection or has been repurchased, and I brought in my Sunbum Face SPF 50 because this is like my 4th bottle. I keep repurchasing it because this is my favorite face SPF, and I use it as a day lotion. My goal was to use it 20 times, and I did that absolutely no problem. I did that over the last month or I guess the last 2 months, because I wear this pretty much every day when I do my skincare. I don't always do my skincare, but when I do, I put this on. And then last, but certainly not least, was for Spirit, a nature-themed product, and for that I brought in my Skylar rollerball in Coconut Cove. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I was able to do that easy peasy. It is small enough that I took it traveling with me, and I don't know where we were last time, but last time I marked it we were up here, and that was probably another project, but we're all the way down here. Yeah, I really enjoy this scent, and I will be sad when it's gone, but it's okay. I didn't give you a swatch of the eyeliner. Not that you really need it, but I will give you one anyway because I'm feeling that way. There you go. It is beautiful silver metallic platinum. Okay. And that was my lost product, was the Coconut Cove. I had 5 uses and met that. So that is it. That is all. I really enjoyed this project. I am sad. As far as I know, it's not come back this year, but that's okay. We have other projects to work on, and I'm actually trying to cut back on the number of projects I'm doing. So there will be some finales coming up on projects that are coming back, but I will not be doing the new round. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and my new black hair once again, then give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would take the time to hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I upload a video. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.